Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to wear your makeup professionally in less than 15 minutes using your foundation and your powder. Hope you enjoy this video. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're family already, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for your support. Let's jump into this video. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm just going to apply the Bare Mineral on my face. This is a primer. I'm using Rare Beauty products. As you can see, my eyebrows are already been done because I did microblading a year ago. Right now I've applied my primer and I'm ready to go in with my foundation. At this moment I'm using blackopal stick foundation. This has been like my to-go foundation in all seasons, so I love blackopal foundation. I have other foundations, but this has been my foundation since I knew makeup exists, and it really blends well with my skin tone. Pardon me if I don't look at the camera. I'm trying to use the mirror here. So right now I'm just applying foundation like in different places or different parts. Then I'm just gonna sink it down. One thing I came to notice about makeup, if you really want to look professional, don't use too much on your face. I normally use barely nothing on my face, but just a generous amount. And if I say a generous amount, not too much, just a little bit, where you can cover some parts that does need makeup on your face. So you see, with this makeup, I'm already looking radiant, and I've not used so much on my face. Like, I've not used concealer, I'm not highlighting, I'm just applying this foundation through my face, like the parts that needs the foundation. Okay guys, so I'm done using the foundation on my face, and right now I'm going to go in with my powder, my compact powder. This one is MAC powder and I've had it for so long. Like, this thing never runs out. And when I'm using the powder, I try to go darker. I know other people go in lighter. I love to go in darker because I came to notice as the day goes by, your makeup lightens up. So I always love to use like darker powder. At this point, I'm going to give myself some matte look.
I'm okay, your body's calling. Girl, now you got me speaking in foreign, but I don't understand anything you say. Girl, I wanna be your JJJ. Girl, I can love you till the morning. Baby, don't cry, don't you worry. I'll be your shade when it's sunny.
Okay, so this is my finished look.
Tonight we go falling love.
As you can see, I have a nice finished matte look.
Baby, I can give you in Paris.
Okay, so today I'm not gonna put on colored lipstick. I'm just gonna do my lip gloss.
Brown skin girl, your skin just like pearls. The best thing in the world. Me never trade you for nobody else. Say me a fake you passing for my African queen. Yeah, you know my African queen. Give me all the best in the world. Me never trade you for nobody else. Me never kill person for my
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Literally this makeup is less than 10 minutes. I said 15, but I think it's less than 10 minutes. And there you go guys, I'm ready to go out. So if you liked this video, please go ahead and comment in the comment section. Share this video. This just shows how supportive you are with my videos. And thank you for all my YouTube viewers who are always coming back to watch my videos. This really shows how dedicated and how much you want me to be creating content for you guys. And more content is all the way coming. So do you like this look? You can take a picture of this. Let me pose for you guys. Okay, how do I pose? I don't know how to pose. You know I can change your world. I never trade you for nobody else. I'm being extra. So this is how I do my daily makeup. Let me know if you liked it. You can try it and share your videos in the comment section below. Hope I was helpful for someone who is struggling on how to do their makeup. If I walked into your office, will you not give me a job? It's very simple, but I get the work done in the office. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.